What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, I got a lot of accessories from one of my favorite case companies on deck. What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. And as you can see, we got accessories from Urban Armageddon on the desk, guys. As you can see, we got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We got that right here with the Pathfinder case from Urban Armageddon in white, matching the silver, matching the white on the back of the silver iPhone 12 Pro Max. I already did a video on this case, so this video is not about this case. I will put a card up top though for the video. I did a video specifically on this case. Today it's all about Apple Watch, guys. So I got some accessories for my Apple Watch. I done had these accessories before, guys, but I really wanted to coordinate with my iPhone. It's all about coordination with me. But this is the Series 5. It's the same thing as the Series 6 without the you can't get your oxygen level on this device, but it's the same sizes and all that, same accessories, fit, things of that nature. So yeah, that's what we're working with today. Still got the Series 5. Okay, so let's just take a look at what we got going on. We got the Apple Watch. It's called the Active strap. It's like a Velcro strap from UAG Active strap designed for the Apple Watch. And if it wasn't for the sticker, you can see it's actually for, I'm not gonna try to rip the sticker off now, it's still on there, but it's for the 44mm and a 42mm Apple Watch. So if you got a big Series 3, that 42mm, you can use this, and the bigger Series 5 and 6, the 44, you can use this, and this is the Active strap. So very dope. I'm gonna go take a look at it. Hook and loop, fastener, stainless steel, custom hardware. Yeah, all the good things that you want, and that great UAG branding and building, all that. So, and a nice packaging. So we're gonna go ahead and get this out the case, take a look at it, get this out the packaging. I mean, nice picture on the front, nice packaging, always with UAG. So as you can see, got nice, all these fasteners on this are made out of metal, guys. As you can see, we got UAG branding on the metal loop right here. Nice thick Velcro, guys. As you can see, really some nice UAG branding, nice touch. Matches with my this camo. This gray camo goes so well with my white Pathfinder case, guys. Nice big Velcro. As you can see, nice sturdy Velcro band right here, and it looks dope, guys. So I'll put links in the description for everything that I got going on. Looks very dope. So let's go ahead to the next product. We got the Apple Watch Ruuged Case, and this is for the 4 and the 5. So you can use this on the 4, 5, or the 6. This is the 44mm. Let me get some light. 4, 5, and the 6 is the 44mm, guys. Very dope little case right here, drop tested. And as you can see, yeah, we got some stickers on the back covering up things. It's an easy install though. It's a nice, I would say this is like a polyurethane type material. Nice hard plastic. As you can see, UAG branding at the top, guys. Just a very dope little accessory to protect your Apple Watch, you know, because you know what, a lot of times we smack it against doors and smack it against different surfaces on mistake, and this will be there to protect you. Let's go ahead and take this out of the packaging. Here we go. UAG, nice branding, nice little hefty build. So funny thing about this, and look, got a nice button press, as you can see. You got some ridges on the button, very nice touch. So what we're gonna do is it's easy. I'm gonna install the band really quickly. Band is getting installed. You know, we just slide it into the side. It's installed, and this you don't have to take off the band. I like this watch case because you don't have to take off the band to install it. All you gotta do is just smack it right on. That's dope, guys. That's going hard with my watch, guys. I like that look. I love the look that this case give this Apple Watch. Give it a rugged look, guys. Get an Apple Watch, a real rugged look, almost like a G-Shock type watch. I really like it. It's dope, and it's pretty comfortable, guys. I got the same band in black, but I just wanted to refresh and something that match my device. You know, black might match, but I always wanted to try this camo. There it is. I'm a big fella with a big wrist, and you got plenty of room to play, guys. Plenty of room to play with this band, guys. So yeah, appreciate you checking out the video. It's your man BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.